Tanya from TM Estate Agents, and today I'm here with Rob, who doesn't want to talk, so I'm going to have to encourage him to talk. And he has an incredible business called Buderim Shoe Repairs. But look what he doesn't just do shoes, he does skates. And as you know, I used to be in roller derby, so I might have to bring my skates in. And he talked to me about what he wanted to really name the business. So what was it again?
Well, it was Our Souls. My name's Rob, and I play on souls, and but we couldn't do it because of all the parents around might get a bit annoyed.
They might get annoyed, exactly. So it's a wonderful business. So you mainly do shoe repairs, skate repairs, handbags, what other things?
Orthopaedic build-ups we're working on at the moment.
Wow.
Chucking on a 30mm raise.
Uh-huh.
R.M. Williams just finished a pair.
Wow, how good's that? And key cutting, we use Rob for all our property key cuts.
Yes.
And what's your biggest thing that most people come in for?
Shoes.
Shoes. Is it heels? You do a lot of my heels.
Yeah. Well, we're covering some books at the moment with leather.
So what are they going to cover the books for?
They're, because they went rotten, they're picture books, photo albums.
How beautiful is that?
Yeah.
So if you're looking for any shoe repairs, skate repairs, anything, Rob's your man. Buderim Shoe Repairs. Thanks so much for having us.
No worries.